Hi, I want to talk to you today about these collapsible, foldable ottomans. So I wanted something at the end of my bed that would be able to help me keep some of my winter clothes stored. With fall coming, I have a lot of sweatshirts and bulky sweaters, and I needed something extra to put them out. But I also wanted something that wasn't heavy, that it would be easy for me to manipulate. And when I saw this, that was the perfect solution. So let me just show you how it goes together. So I got the 43-inch type. Now it's fabric on this side, so we're just going to lay it down like so. I'm going to put the bottom in. Now this one comes with a divider, so you would just stick that in there. So now I have some place to sit when I want to put my shoes on, but I want to show you how much it will hold. I have all my stuff in Rubbermaid containers, so I want to see how many Rubbermaid containers I can get in here. That's one, and as you can see, I've got plenty of room for more. So let's find some more. So you can see I got at least 2 Rubbermaid containers in here of bulky sweaters. So now I don't have to go running around trying to figure out where my clothes are, especially when we're in that period of the year where the seasons are changing, and today you need summer clothes and tomorrow you need winter clothes. Now I have them nice and handy and I can get to them really quick. I think this is just the perfect thing for me. I'm glad I found it, and that's just my honest opinion.